Hey friends, my name is Katie and you're watching AFI's DIYs. Today we're making a greener wheel cleaner. This will keep your wheels looking just as shiny as they did the day you drove off the lot. So without further ado, let's get into it. For supplies you will need rubber gloves, a large beaker, a glass stirring rod, a container for storing the product. For ingredients you will need 85.31% or 8 ounces of deionized water, 1.92% or 0.18 ounces of sodium citrate, 7.68% or 0.72 ounces of ammonic LMDO, 2.88% or 0.27 ounces of Biosoft EC690, 1.92% or 0.18 ounces of Dawinol DPM PPG methyl ether, 0.21% or 1/8 teaspoon of preservative, 1 drop of dye, 0.08% or 5 drops of fragrance. We have almost 20,000 fragrances to choose from here at AFI, many of which are perfect for cleaning products. For those products, we went with lime. Oh my gosh, this smells so clean. Okay, before we begin, let's put on your gloves. Great, now we can get started. First, combine the deionized water, sodium citrate, ammonic LMDO, Biosoft EC690, and Dawinol DPM PPG2 methyl ether. Once homogeneous, you may now add the preservative, fragrance, and dye. And we're done! This DIY only cost us about $1. It can be sold wholesale for around $2 and retail for $3 to $5. While you're at it, you can also clean your windshield with our high foaming window and glass cleaner. Check that out at the end of the video. Those two cleaners would pair great for your product line. Thank you so much for stopping by. We can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!